Om Swastiastu. Hi everyone, welcome again to my video. In this video, I will explain to you about one topic in mathematics material. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Komang Deena Prasanti Dewi. You can call me Deena, with class ID number 022 from 4D Mathematics Education. Before we start the lesson, I have a game puzzle pictures for you, so you guys can guess what are the pictures. Okay, for the first picture, what is the picture? Yeah, this is wheel. And how about this one? What is the picture? Correct, this is pizza. And the last one, what is the picture? Yeah, this is lollipop candy. So, from the shape of the pictures before, anybody knows what are we going to learn today? Okay, we will learn about circle. Wheel, pizza, and lollipop candy are a few circle things around us. So guys, I hope you are all ready to study with me, and don't forget to take notes because this is very important to you. As usual, I have a motivation for today. Believe in yourself because you can if you think you can. There are 4 topics about a circle that we will discuss today. The first is definition of a circle, 2. Elements of a circle, 3. Circle area and circumference formula, and the last is solving circle cases in daily life. Okay, we start with definition of a circle. Do you know what is a circle? Yeah, a circle is a set of points in a plane that are all a fixed distance from a given point. The given point is known as the center, and the distance from the center to a point in the circle is called the radius. Okay, I will explain to you with GeoGebra so you can understand clearly. Look at the screen. For example, I have a circle with a radius of 4 and the center point of the circle we call point A. After that, I have a point in a plane of the circle. We call this point B. Next, I have radius for the circle with segment AB. And if I move to point B, you can see that the distance or the radius is always the same. Look at this. If I move to point B, the distance or radius is always the same. Okay, so that's the illustration about definition of a circle. Is everything clear for the definition of a circle? Okay, next we move to the elements of a circle. The first element is center point. The center point is the first circle element that you need to know. The point directly in the center of the circle is called the center point. The distance from the center point to all points on this circle is always the same. The central point is often symbolized by using capital letters such as A, O, P, Q, etc. The next element is the radius of the circle. The radius can be interpreted as the distance between the center point of the circle and the point on the circle. The radius of a circle is always the same because the distance between the center point and all points on the circle is the same. In mathematical formulas, the radius is often symbolized by the letter of R, or what is called the radius. Since they are the same length, this distance can stretch downwards, upwards, to the right, or the left. Diameter is the next circle element to be discussed. The length of the straight line that connects any 2 points on the circumference of the circle and passes through the center of the circle is the diameter. It can be said that the value of the diameter of the circle is twice the value of the radius of the circle. In mathematical formulas, diameter is often symbolized by the letter D. The next circle element is the arc. What is meant by an arc as an element of a circle? The part of the circle in form of a curved line is the definition of an arc. There are two types of arcs in a circle, namely major arcs and minor arcs. An arc that is longer than half the circumference of a circle is called a major arc, while an arc whose length is less than half the circumference of the circle is called a minor arc. Next is chord. A chord is a straight line that connects any two points on the circumference of the circle but does not pass through the center of the circle, like this one and this one. Both are called chords. The next element is sector. The area flanked by two radii and a circular arch is the notion of the sector as a circle element. The sector on the circle is divided into two parts, namely the major sector and the minor sector. Next is segment. The area enclosed by the curved and circular arch can be interpreted as a segment of the circle. The last element is apothegm. The apothegm becomes the last element of the circle which we will be discussed. The perpendicular line segment connecting the center point of the circle with the chord of the circle is defined as the apothegm. Then the apothegm can also be interpreted as the shortest distance of the chord from the circle center point. Next, we will discuss about circle area and circumference formula. The first about circle area formula. To find the area of a circle, you need to know the radius of the circle first. If r is known, then the formula for the area of a circle is area equals P multiplied by r squared. With description, P equals 3.14 or P equals 22/7. Then, how if the problem is known as the diameter? To calculate the area of a circle, you need to know the radius. Whereas if you don't know the radius but the diameter, you only need to find the radius first by dividing the diameter by 2. After knowing the radius, you can calculate the area using the formula for the area of a circle, with area equals P multiplied by r squared. Okay. Next, I have example questions about circle area. The question is, if the radius of a circle is 21 centimeters, find the area of the circle. To find the area of the circle, we can use formula area equals P multiplied by r squared. We know the radius of a circle is 21 centimeters, so we can get area equals 22/7 multiplied by 21 centimeters multiplied by 21 centimeters. And last, we will get the answer area equals 1386 centimeters squared. Next, about circumference formula. To calculate the circumference of a circle, you also need to know its radius or diameter. If the diameter is known, then the formula for the circumference of a circle is circumference equals P multiplied by D or diameter. Meanwhile, if what is known is the radius, to calculate the circumference of a circle, you can use the formula circumference equals P multiplied by r multiplied by 2. Why is the formula like that? since the length of the diameter is twice the length of the radius. D equals 2 multiplied by R. Next, I have questions about circumference. The question is, a circle has a diameter of 14 centimeters. Find the circumference of the circle. Because the diameter is known, we can use the formula circumference equals P multiplied by D or diameter. We know the diameter is 14 centimeters, so we can get circumference equals 22/7 multiplied by 14 centimeters. So the last we will get the answer, circumference equals 22 centimeters. The last topic is about solving circle cases in daily life. Here I have a question. In the center of the city, it is planned to create a circle garden with a diameter of 56 meters. Inside the park, a circle pond with a diameter of 28 meters will be made. If the grass is to be planted outside the pond at a cost of 6,000 rupiah per meter square, calculate all costs that must be incurred to plant the grass. So the answer, the first step, we should find the area of the entry circle whose diameter is 56 meters. We should find the radius first. To find the radius, we can use the formula diameter over 2. We know the diameter is 56. So 56 meters over 2 equals 28 meters. We found the radius 28 meters. Next, we find the area with formula first area equals P multiplied by R squared. Next, first area equals 22/7 multiplied by 28 meters in bracket square. Then we will find the area of the entry circle is first area equals 2,464 meters square. The second step is finding the area of the inner circle with diameter 28 meters. Okay, since like the first step, we should find the radius first with diameter over 2 equals 28 meters over 2 equals 14 meters. So we find the radius is 14 meters. Next, we find the area of the inner circle with radius 14 meters. With formula, second area equals D multiplied by R squared. Second area equals 22/7 multiplied by 14 meters in bracket squared, and then we will find the area of the inner circle is 16 meters square. The third step is finding the area of circle painted with grass. To find the area of a circle painted with grass, we can subtraction first area and second area of a circle. So we can find the area of a circle painted with grass is 1,848 meters square. The last step is determine how much it costs to plant grass if the grass cost is 6,000 rupiah per meter square. To find the cost, we can use the formula area of grass multiplied by cost. So we can find the cost is 11,088,000. So the cost required to plant grass outside the pond is 11,088,000. So guys, that's everything you need to know about the circle. If you have any questions, write them in the comment box. I will answer them later. And don't forget to do the exercise and make sure you understand everything about circle. I'm Deena. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. Bye. Om Santi Santi Santi.